What's going on, guys? Happy Tuesday. It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group, and here's some cryptocurrency news you should listen to today. I have two big pieces of information to put out there for today, and then we're going to talk about the March tournament of cryptos, in which you have to submit your tournament form and your bracket form today to be eligible for the 100 free Ripple prize. But starting with some of the news, the U.S. Subcommittee, the subcommittee that handles capital markets, securities, and investments will be meeting on the 14th tomorrow to make some decisions, or at least maybe not concrete decisions, but take some steps forward when it comes to regulating U.S. markets with cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency securities. So we need to pay attention to that meeting and what comes out of that meeting, because obviously there's going to be some level of regulation that comes out of that committee, especially when we're talking about ICOs. But certainly that's going to cause more than likely some type of short-term negative effect on the market, because I don't expect them to say, look, we're going to take our hands off and just let the market be free. They're going to obviously say, look, some of these changes will take place, and they'll probably give a timeline in which some of these changes should take place, and when the next hearing is to finalize some of these changes in terms of all cryptocurrency trading in U.S. markets. So look forward to that happening again on the 14th. It's a good thing because, again, the further away we move from regulation being the topic of discussion, the better the markets will perform. Also, for all those Burst Coin fans out there, we talked about Burst Coin months ago about their plans for this year. Well, on the 15th, they will be hard forking and upgrading the coin as promised in their outline and their plan for 2018. Looks like they're going to increase the block sizes, they're going to increase the speed, lower the transaction fees, and just pretty much put out there some of the plans, or execute on some of the plans that they put out there earlier this year. So certainly this is a positive news for that coin, because when you deliver on promises, usually you're rewarded. So I look for Burst Coin after the 15th, maybe even leading up, to certainly see a jump despite what's happening in the market. And overall right now, if we look at the market, it's a bear run. We had a bull run for a week and a half about 2 weeks ago. Now we're on a bear run for about a week. Not surprising. This is what we said we expect to see throughout February and March, especially as we hear about more regulation. But again, the further away we move from regulation, the more we're going to march towards all-time highs again. I do still expect maybe by April, things to, in late March, things to really start going in a positive direction. But we'll see. I mean, based on the charts, that's what we see, but we'll find out later. Also, today is the last day to, again, submit your brackets for the March tournament of cryptos. Remember, this is a NCAA bracket style tournament in which we put all cryptos, 64 cryptos against each other, starting with the higher ranked cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and they go against some of the lower ranked, or when we're talking about ranked based on market value, lower ranked cryptocurrencies, and see who performs better over a 3-day time period. This is an opportunity to show how good you are at predicting crypto. A lot of people talk about it. Well, this is a way to show you're good about it and get a prize for it. I will be releasing my bracket on the 15th. The tournament actually starts on the 15th, and we'll see how accurate I am. Maybe I beat the field, maybe I don't, but I'm willing to step up and, commit to the challenge. So we'll see what happens. Either way, guys, have a happy Tuesday. I hope you continue to trade, but make sure, again, you pay attention on the 15th to the results of that U.S. subcommittee hearing, because it's going to mean a lot when it comes to what regulations are coming in U.S. markets in the cryptocurrency world. And of course, like I said, Burst fans, the 15th is your day, so celebrate. It's coming soon. Certainly, you've been talking about this coin is the coin of the future. We're going to see if it's real or not. Have a good one, guys. Talk to you soon.